This is going to be an exciting video because I'm going to show you how to make $13 billion a year. Create a product that's irresistible, addictive, and just a little evil. Of course you know what I'm talking about. Crack. Yes, I'm going to show you how to create a crack business. You're going to make billions by giving crack to people, and then when they use it, you get paid. But, and here's the good part, if the crack user can't pay in full each month, that's cool. You can still give them more crack. They'll just owe you some money and a little bit of interest. All right, who am I kidding? They'll owe you a lot of interest. But your customers won't care because they still are getting the crack from you. They're happy for now. And if they start using too much crack and are having trouble paying you back, this is the best part. They are locked into the crack agreement. It is rock, pun intended, solid. Sue them, put a lien on any future income they make. The crack business is a winner. Oh sure, do you ruin some, a lot of lives? Of course, but they had free will. They chose to do crack. Well, yes, you mailed them crack nearly every week and you put crack offers in their textbooks, but you didn't force them to use it. Free will, people. Look it up. Wait, what's that? What? Ooh. All right, I'm so embarrassed. Have I been saying crack this whole time? My producer just informed me we had a bit of a typo. Instead of starting a crack business, my teleprompter was supposed to read credit card business. I'm sorry. Really, really sorry about that. All right, listen. Am I being too harsh on the poor credit card companies that only make $13 billion a year? Listen, I was on 2020 several years ago. Also featured on that show was this lowly professor named, Elizabeth Warren? I wonder whatever happened to her. Here's what Lizzie said. She said credit card companies have a special word for the customers who pay in full every month. They're called deadbeats. Now, there is good money in giving people what they want and then charging them twice as much for years to come. We've learned that credit cards are magnificent and evil at the same time. It's hard to get around without them, but at the same time, they are incredibly dangerous and expensive. Sounds like a bad relationship, I once had. And that's pretty much what credit cards are. They are a very bad and abusive relationship. So if you can resist, great. That's definitely the way to go. It's too easy to get sucked into the buy now and pay later trap. Every swipe of the card is a deal with the devil. So what's worse than using a credit card? Well, I guess it would be using a credit card to buy crack. So I guess try to avoid both.